Upgrading your kitchen's food preservation workflow to prevent freezer burn, extend ingredient freshness, and meal prep like a pro without wrestling with clumsy lids or inconsistent seals usually means transitioning to an advanced, fully automatic vacuum sealing system. The POWOT Precision Food Vacuum Sealer Machine, Commercial Food Saver Pro Edition with built-in cutter, double heat seal, and starter kit, redefines long-term food storage by combining robust sealing power, integrated accessory storage, and one-touch automated operation into a streamlined, high-performance countertop appliance. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its heavy-duty vacuum pump architecture paired with an upgraded double heat seal strip. Instead of struggling with entry-level sealers that feature weak suction or single narrow seals that frequently leak air over time, this commercial-grade system delivers powerful air extraction pressure paired with a dual-line thermal seal. This ensures an airtight, moisture-proof barrier that locks in flavor and preserves meat, produce, and dry goods up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. Performance and everyday versatility streamline kitchen organization across bulk grocery shopping, sous vide prep, and garden harvests. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a convenient built-in bag roll cutter and integrated storage compartment, allowing you to measure, slice, and custom-fit bags directly from the machine without hunting for scissors. Operation is completely effortless thanks to an ergonomic easy-lock handle and fully automatic digital touch controls that feature specialized modes for moist, dry, and delicate foods, alongside an external accessory hose port for vacuum sealing canisters and wine bottles. The unit arrives complete with a starter kit of bag rolls and hoses, so you can begin preserving right out of the box. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a feature-rich commercial-grade vacuum sealer with built-in bag roll storage and a heavy-duty motor, it carries a solid, substantial countertop footprint that requires a dedicated resting spot in your kitchen. Additionally, you'll want to ensure you use textured or embossed vacuum sealer bags rather than standard smooth plastic storage bags to allow proper air extraction. So, who is this really for? This automatic vacuum sealing system is an absolute home run for bulk shoppers, hunters, gardeners, meal prep enthusiasts, and sous vide cooks who demand professional-grade airtight preservation and maximum convenience. If you're looking for a tiny, handheld zipper bag pump for brief daily snack storage, or a commercial chamber vacuum sealer for heavy restaurant-scale liquid packaging, a different style of preservation tool will better match your needs. Is it worth the money? If you value a powerful vacuum pump, a secure double heat seal strip, a built-in bag cutter and roll storage compartment, and fully automatic one-touch operation, it is a premier, money-saving investment for cutting down food waste and mastering home food storage.